Hello. Every owner of digital camera wants to keep it in good condition. I bought a protective glass kit from the Chinese and now I'll try to install it myself. Here is written that this is a LCD screen protector designed for Sony Alpha 6500. This glass is compatible with Sony Alpha 6000, 6300 and 6500. On the package you can see what layers this protective glass consists of and what is included in the kit. Here is a short manual that shows action step by step. I'll describe it in this video. The package includes: the first item is a wet lemon wipe. It will be remove dust from the camera's screen. The second item is a dust absorber. The dust absorber was smaller than the screen size. Therefore, as a result, it was spoiled. Instead of this dust absorber, I decided to wipe the screen with the microfiber cloth that comes in the kit. The third item is a LCD screen protector. The screen of the camera perfectly clean, and the next step is installing a LCD screen protector. First of all, I put it on the screen. In this position, I fixed the screen with Scotch tape. It was difficult to wipe the screen ideally, but I see that it is clean. Now it is necessary to peel off the protective film from the LCD screen protector and carefully apply the film to the screen of the camera itself to spread evenly over the entry screen area. The last item is microfiber cleaning cloth. We are wiping the already installed protective glass. Now you can clean the protective glass. Thank you for your attention. Ask questions in comments, subscribe to my channel. Good luck!